If you're looking for SketchUp discount promo codes, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the best ways to find a legitimate SketchUp deals, where to check for current promotions, and how to save money whether you're a new user, a student, or someone looking for a subscription discount. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first place to look is the official SketchUp website. SketchUp often runs seasonal sales, especially during major shopping periods like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and other peak promotional times throughout the year. These official offers are usually the safest option because you're getting a discount directly from the source with no risk of expired or fake promo codes. So before you buy anything, go straight to SketchUp's pricing or offers page and check whether they've posted a limited time deal. Next, you should check specialized coupon and deal sites. Communities and websites like Reddit, especially the r/SketchUp subreddit, can sometimes point you toward working promo codes, student discounts, or reseller offers. You can also look at coupon platforms like Simply Codes and Worth ePenny. Just remember to be careful with third-party codes because some are expired, region-locked, or only valid for specific plans. Always compare the code details with the official SketchUp pricing before you apply anything. Another smart option is educational pricing. If you're a student, SketchUp may offer a heavily discounted student subscription. This is one of the best ways to get access to the software at a much lower price if you qualify. Usually, you'll need to verify your student status through the official application or verification process. If you're a teacher, school, or educational institution, it's also worth checking whether there are classroom or education licenses available. After that, look at regional resellers. Depending on your country, SketchUp Australia or other authorized regional partners may run their own promotions that are different from the main global store. Sometimes these resellers offer local discounts, bundle pricing, or special campaign codes that you won't see on the main SketchUp site. If you're outside the United States, this step is especially important because pricing and promotions can vary by region. You should also keep an eye out for first-time buyer offers. Occasionally, new users can find a promotional code or introductory discount for their first purchase. These offers are usually better for new subscriptions than renewals, so if you've never bought SketchUp before, this is a good chance to save. If you already have an active subscription, you may need to wait for a renewal promotion or a seasonal sale instead. Another method is checking software bundle offers. Some resellers package SketchUp with other tools or services and include a discounted license as part of the bundle. This can be a great value if you need more than one product, but always make sure the bundle is from a trusted seller and that the SketchUp license is legitimate, transferable if needed, and supported by SketchUp. Here's the best strategy overall. Start with the official SketchUp site, then compare coupon sites, student pricing, regional partners, and bundle offers. That gives you the highest chance of finding a real discount without wasting time on expired codes. And if you find a deal, double check the terms before purchasing so you know whether it applies to a new subscription, a renewal, or only a specific plan. If you want to save even more, bookmark the pricing pages and check them during major sale seasons. Discounts can appear quickly and disappear just as fast, so timing matters. It's also a good idea to sign up for email updates from SketchUp or authorized resellers, since that's often how early access offers and limited time promo codes are shared. That's it. Now you know how to find SketchUp discount promo codes the smart way. Use the official sales, student pricing, trusted coupon sites, regional resellers, first-time buyer offers, and bundle deals to get the best price possible. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next software savings guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.